In this video, I'll show you how to create and manage a WhatsApp group. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open WhatsApp on your phone, then tap on the plus icon on the top right corner. Then select New Group, and then to add someone to the group, you're going to tap on that person's name. Once everyone is selected, you're going to tap on Next. You can give your group a name. You can turn on disappearing messages. This means that all the messages in the group will disappear after the selected duration. You can pick 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days, or you can also turn it off. You can also edit the group permissions by tapping on it, and you can select if the members of the group can edit the group settings, if they can send messages, and if they can add other people to the group. If you create the group by default, you're going to be the admin of the group. And if you want to be the only one who can add people to it, you can enable Approve New Member. This means that if someone adds a person to your group, you're the only one who can accept or decline their invitation. You can also add a picture to your group by tapping on the camera icon on the top left corner. Once you're done editing the settings of the group, tap on Create. If you want to make any changes to the group, all you have to do is tap on your group icon, and you're going to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to find every single group setting. You can tap on group permissions if you want to edit what members can do, and that's it. I hope that helped.